Transforming your favorite crunchy salmon roll into a cupcake sounds like a dream, right? Well, with this recipe, you may just turn that dream into a reality with our baked sushi cupcakes, which feature all the Japanese flavors you'd want in your meal. Hello and welcome to Cozymeal Studios. Today we're cooking cupcakes made out of sushi, a combo you'd never thought was possible, but we're here to tell you otherwise. But as always, before we begin, please be sure to leave a like on this video, subscribe to our channel, and tap that notification bell. And now, let's get cooking. Let's start by preparing our sushi rice. To do this, first rinse 1 cup of Japanese short grain rice until the water runs clear. Then you can either use a rice cooker to cook the rice or cook it on the stovetop. And to do the latter, soak the rice in water for 30 minutes, then drain the rice and transfer to a saucepan with a lid. Now place 1 cup of water inside the saucepan and bring the mixture to a boil over medium-high heat. Then cover the saucepan and reduce the heat to a medium-low and simmer for 10 minutes. Once the time has passed, turn off the heat and let the rice steam for 10 minutes with the lid intact. While the rice is steaming, add inside a bowl 3 tablespoons of unseasoned rice vinegar, 1 tablespoon of granulated sugar, and half a teaspoon of kosher salt. Then stir everything together until the sugar dissolves. Now, using a large mixing bowl, transfer the cooked rice to the center and allow it to cool for 10 minutes. Once the time has passed, pour the rice vinegar mixture over the cooked rice and mix it with either a large spoon or a rice paddle. Then set it aside. To prepare our salmon, let's grab a mixing bowl and combine 1/4 cup of softened cream cheese along with 1/4 cup of Japanese mayonnaise, 2 tablespoons of Sriracha, and 2 tablespoons of either tamari or soy sauce. Then stir the mixture until it's all well combined and add 1 pound of cubed salmon and toss until well coated. After each piece is nicely coated, put it in the refrigerator until it's ready to use. Let's now prepare our sushi cupcakes. And to do this, first preheat your oven to 400 degrees. Then grab 3 full sheets of nori and cut each one into 4 even squares for a total of 12 squares. Now, using a cupcake pan, place a nori square over the cupcake cavity and add 2 to 3 tablespoons of the prepared sushi rice and press it well into the cupcake cavity. Repeat this process to all the cupcakes, then top each one with the salmon mixture, distributing evenly between each one. Once you filled all the cupcakes, let's bake them until they are cooked through, which should take around 15 minutes. If you'd like to toast the top of the cupcakes, then after they finished baking, turn your oven to broil and broil the cupcakes until lightly charred on top. While you have your cupcakes baking, let's prepare our Wasabi Mayonnaise by combining inside a bowl half a cup of mayonnaise with 1 to 2 tablespoons of wasabi powder. And if you'd like to have a bit more spice, add extra wasabi powder to the Wasabi Mayonnaise mixture. Once the cupcakes finish baking, take them out of the oven and allow them to cool for about 5 minutes before removing them from the cupcake pan. While they are cooling, let's slice 2 Persian cucumbers and 1 ripe avocado into small and thin slices. And once the cooling time has passed, take the cupcakes out of the pan and top them with the sliced cucumbers and avocado decoratively on their sides. Then drizzle their top with the wasabi mayonnaise and top with crispy panko crumbs and finely chopped green onions. Then serve and enjoy your sushi cupcakes. If you'd like to view all the steps again and read extra recipe notes and tips, be sure to check the description box or head to our website at cozymeal.com/recipes, where you will find more flavorful meals from all over the world. Please do not leave before you leave a like on this video and you share this recipe with your friends and family. As always, thank you so much for watching, and we hope to see you again cook along with us in our next video recipe.